Hi guys, and welcome to the final lesson in this course, where we'll be talking about exploring Python frontiers. We'll look into specialist application areas using Python, and we'll look at third-party packages for specialist applications and how to contribute to Python's own development. So in the earlier sections of this course, we looked at how Python can be used to interact with our operating system and other programs, how it can manage data using flat files and databases, how you can build both desktop and web-based applications, and you have also seen some of the techniques and tools that can help you build larger scale programs efficiently and reliably. So in this concluding section of this course, we'll see how Python can support you in many wider areas of programming, and each topic can be an own course or own book. So you consider the various frameworks, packages, libraries, and even distinct Python distributions that have been developed to support specialist areas of interest such as science and language processing. You also see how some niche application types have acquired specialist tools and packages to support their specific needs. And finally, we'll look at how you can contribute to the Python community itself to help make Python even better. Let's look at the first area, which is drawing pictures with Python. Many tools are available for drawing and processing graphics in Python. These range from simple drawing libraries like Turtle to highly specialized modules and frameworks like Matplotlib and Pillow. And in the following section, we'll describe the capabilities and areas of application of each option. So let's talk about Turtle Graphics. The easiest way to draw pictures from code is probably to use Turtle Graphics. Turtle Graphics was invented as a way of drawing pictures using the programming language Logo. The idea was to issue directional commands to a robotic device, the turtle, with a pen attached, that in turn produced a drawing. The concept proved popular, and now most languages provide some kind of Turtle graphics support. In Python, it comes in the form of the Turtle module. By default, the module presents the graphics in a small pop-up window built using Tkinter. You can specify a TK canvas object, and when you initialize the Turtle system from within an application, or you can use the module at the interactive prompt to experiment with the system. The official documentation gives a comprehensive description of the functions and methods available, and you can get a good feel of what is possible by running the demonstration. And you can do that by typing python-m turtle demo. Excuse me, I have a typo. Should get used to my typos. And you just choose a example and hit start, clear, and these are just examples. This is a nice one. And a bug, of course. It's a nice game, in fact. So there is, explore this on your own. So test the examples so you can see how to achieve the same effects in your programs as well. And also, if you want to work with the pictures using GUI canvas objects, most GUI frameworks include a canvas object. A canvas is an area on screen which you can draw lines and shapes, add images, and even insert text. The Tkinter canvas object is fairly typical and supports drawing arcs, ovals, including circles, lines, rectangles, polygons, text, images, and even windows. So, and you can embed a widget inside a canvas. So if you explore the Tkinter object called canvas, it's a class and it contains many methods that enable you to build sophisticated graphics program. This is all at a very low level of abstraction. For a higher level, you can turn to other libraries such as the Turtle module discussed, or some more exotic third-party options such as those that we'll discuss in the next, which is plotting data. The most popular data plotting tool for Python is matplotlib, and you can download it from PyPy or include it as the part of the Skippy package that we'll get into a little bit later. So matplotlib is closely tied into the other Skippy packages, as such can be rather intimidating if you only want a simple graph. Several other lightweight packages are available on PyPy that attempt to address this and provide an easier to use plotting library. But for serious plotting, matplotlib is the best solution. And then you have the IMG HDR. If your graphics interests are more focused on images than data, then the IMG HDR module offers some useful help in determining what kind of image file you are dealing with. The module is part of the standard library and is quite simple to use. Rather than relying on the file name extension, it tests the data content of the file to determine the image type. The module consists of a single function, which is what, which takes either a file name or file stream as argument and returns the image type. The module supports most common file types, but you can extend its range by adding your own custom test functions to handle other image types. And the next library is the Pillow library, which is also called PIL. For many years, the standard solution for manipulating images in Python was the Python imaging library, PIL. PIL has not been ported to Python version 3. Instead, a replacement library called Pillow has been created that builds on PIL but adds some new features. So if you Google for Pillow, you'll find it there, and you can install it via PyPy. So you can use the image object to retrieve information about the image, such as its size. Many more powerful options are available too. For example, you can transpose images by flipping them or rotating them, as well as resizing and applying filters. Pillow is like an image editing program that you drive programmatically. And if you want to work with drawing and images with Python, you should also check out ImageMagick. ImageMagick is a similar tool to Pillow, but it's based on the command line suite for tools of the same name. And then you have the Python package called WAND. It is on PyPy and uses C types to harness much of the ImageMagick's power. So definitely check out WAND as well. WAND, which is spelled W-A-N-D. And you can find many other modules and packages for graphics work in Python. The PyPy search tool and web search engines will reveal many examples. The tools that have been highlighted here cover most eventualities, but don't be afraid to try alternatives.